Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, before we get into this video, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn your post notifications on. Now let's get into this. So we're back again with another Auxito video. Once again, guys, there's no LED like Auxito. There really ain't. But what are we doing? Didn't we just put some LEDs in this?
Yeah, man. High beams.
High beams. But these are actually your fog lights. So, you ready to get into it?
Yeah, man.
All right. These are not, pause it. There you go. These are not like the high beams. These do not have the fans in them, but it's okay because they're not pushing the lumens the other ones were. Now, metal design, once again, beautiful chips in that thing. Can you see that? I mean, look at that. Double-sided. These are gonna be nice, especially compared to your ugly yellow fog lights you have now. They're not the yellow that everybody goes with the import cars. They're the stock halogen bulbs.
Yeah, so, the warm white color.
Yeah, and it's, you can't see with that stuff, man. I mean,
they just don't look good neither.
No, no.
With the LED low beams.
Yeah. So what you're gonna see us do is we're gonna jack this car up. Oh, with this one being stock height, we can get to it without jacking it up, but we're gonna jack it up to show you how to go about changing these bulbs in this car. Because this one's got a little skid plate up underneath it, right there to get to the bulb. So we gotta pull it off almost like the Focus. So we're gonna start getting onto that. We'll be back in a minute, guys. You ready to get this over with, get this done?
Yeah, man.
See what the finished product is?
Yeah, man.
I'm wearing gloves, it's cold. We'll be right back. All right, guys, as you can tell, there's two 10mm bolts down here. I'm gonna drop these out. This is the first time we're looking at this with you guys. We're just using a pair of pliers. They're not in here tight at all. All right, guys, you see the bulb in there? I'm gonna reach up here. Oh, look at that, all the way down. Like all Nissans, push up. These things have been in here for a while. All right, now reverse it. Slide on in here. And voila, bulb is in. Now the only thing to do is put these two bolts back in. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up another video from Auxito. And guys, if you want to go pick you up some Auxito bulbs, the link is down in the description down below. Also, right there is our discount code, Aftermath Garage. Get to checkout, make sure you put that in the promo code section. You will save yourself 15%. So, once again, there's no LED like Auxito. You know, I came up with that. That's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, man.
Good slogan, right? Seriously, there's no LED like Auxito. We know. We've been through different companies. They are the best. So, once again, what do you think?
Super bright. Just like the high beams. Man, they don't disappoint.
Never.
Ever.
Never.
You get what you pay for, and honestly, and some.
Yeah, well, you know, that's one thing I've always said. You know, you want a cheap part, you're gonna get, you know, cheap service out of that part.
Yeah, cheap quality.
Yeah, so Auxito, they're not cheap.
But they're not
Their prices
super expensive.
No, and their prices come in just a little bit above what you would find on eBay and Amazon, because that's where we used to buy our stuff. Once again, guys, I'm telling you, you know, you go buy your bulbs on Amazon, you go buy them on eBay, so be it, 30 bucks, 20 bucks for a set of LED headlights. You're not gonna get the quality that you're gonna get with Auxito. Trust me. They are one of the world's leading LED manufacturers for a reason. And why wouldn't you buy from Auxito? You get 15% off by using Aftermath Garage. So guys, we're gonna get out of here. It is freezing. I think it's like 20 degrees outside. So, you ready to get going?
Yeah, man.
We got 4 cars back in. So guys, once again, you know we love you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. And then don't forget to turn your post notifications on. That way when we drop a new video, you're the first one to know. So what's left? What's that thing we do? What's that thing we say?
At the end,
Yeah.
it's about dreaming something.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. Guys, don't forget, dream big. We'll see you later.